So we're here with the Carbon Cub, and it's been a great plane. A few battle scars from my near misses. I've put a couple of LED strips on the top and underneath just for orientation, as you can see, and at the back, and we're gonna see what we can do with this. Floating through. Let's see if we can do a low pass. Back this way. Let's try and avoid the trees this time. Get some height. A loop. Turn. Easy off the power. Let's turn. Let's come back this way. Off the power. Let's try and float it down. Do a bit of a pass. Okay, let's bring it between the trees. And a little landing. Flying really well, able to float a little bit, but I think one of my crashes has bent the motor shaft because I can hear a bit of vibration. Just trying to control it low. Keep the throttle going, do touch and goes. Trying to hone in on some skills. Try a low pass. Try not to hit myself. So night lights are on, and you can really start to see the plane really well at night. So let's try have one more flight before we go home. So orientation is easy to see. And looks great. Even coming towards you, it's really easy to see. Surprisingly easy to fly at night. I'm actually quite shocked. Orientation is easy to see. And man, it lights up the sky. Oh, touch and go is at night is not easy. But I made it. Zero wind. Whoa! This grass is way too long. Well, we landed in one piece, and there you have it. Very, very bright night flight with the Carbon Cub. So great bit of night flying with some LCD lights. Okay guys, we're gonna see signing off.